Hi everyone, my name is Abdi Fatah Sharif. I love food and I mean home cooked food. I love cooking as well as food prepared with fresh ingredients. Food that always reminds me of home. Now, as an airline steward, I travel a lot and cook for my colleagues whenever I get a chance. A lot of people assume that home-cooked meal, especially Somali food, is so difficult to make because it requires a lot of time and a million ingredients. I want to share with you some recipes and encourage you to try them out. You will see how simple and fun it is. Let's get started. Ali Anjero, which is fermented pancake. It is sour and spongy, and we normally have it for breakfast. The key ingredients are flour and ajin. Ajin is used to ferment the flour and it is similar to yeast. Here I have 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt into my flour, ajin, a little bit of water, mix it, and then beat it until it becomes smooth and lumpless texture. Add water. Now my batter is ready. I want to start beating it to get the smooth, lumpless texture. Now my batter is ready. I'm going to cover it, keep it aside, and let it ferment overnight. My batter has fermented. It's time to make anjero. Add a little bit of oil and then brush it so that my anjero doesn't stick in the pan. Now let's start making anjero. Pour a little bit of butter in the middle of the pan and spread it according to the size I want. Cover it and let it cook for 1 minute. My anjero is ready. This you can have it with a cup of tea. When I'm making anjero, I prefer to have it with sukar, which is goat stew. The key ingredient is goat meat. I'm going to add my vegetable oil in the pot, cover it, and then let it become hot, and then add my onion. Now I'm going to add my onions. Let it become brown. I will stir a little bit so that the onions become evenly brown. Now I'm going to add ginger and garlic. Add my meat. Add hawash and salt. Stir. Now I'm going to add chili with a little bit of water. Stir a little bit and then cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add carrots, potatoes, cover it for another 10 minutes, and later on add bell peppers, cilantro, some lime to get that sour taste. Stir a little bit, cover it, and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Wow, this looks so colorful. My sukar and anjero are ready. It's time to test it. The sukar is savory, the anjero is spongy and sour. Go ahead and try it.